Kitinjoy 100% cotton kitchen towels. Wipe, dry, and shine like a pro. Ever grabbed a kitchen towel only to find it about as absorbent as a plastic bag? Time to level up your kitchen game with Kitinjoy's 100% cotton kitchen towels. Designed with a waffle weave honeycomb texture, these dishcloths are like tiny sponges on steroids, soaking up spills faster than you can say oops. Whether you're drying dishes, wiping counters, or mopping up a coffee catastrophe, these ultra-soft, super absorbent, quick-drying towels have your back. Less mess, less stress, more yes. Unlike cheap, flimsy rags that fall apart after one wash, Kitinjoy towels are crafted for the long haul. Made with 100% pure cotton, they're durable, soft, and built to withstand endless scrubbing, soaking, and squeezing. Plus, they're lint-free, fade-resistant, and shrink minimally, so they stay looking fresh, no matter how many spills they save you from. Need a towel that's gentle on your hands, but tough on messes? Look no further. One kitchen towel? Amateur hour. With an 8-pack of Kitinjoy dishcloths, you'll always have one for drying, one for scrubbing, and a backup for whatever chaos comes next. The perfect size combo, 13-inch by 28-inch, plus 12-inch by 12-inch, means you've got the right tool for every kitchen task. Keep them in the kitchen, stash a few in the bathroom, or use them for dusting, because once you try them, you won't want to clean without them. Tired of that nasty, damp towel smell? Kitinjoy's quick-drying design means these towels stay fresh and odor-free, no more mildewy messes lurking in your kitchen. Plus, the convenient hanging loop makes drying a breeze. Machine washable and low maintenance, these towels are as easy to clean as they are to love. Just toss them in the wash, and they're ready to tackle another round of kitchen chaos. Why waste money on cheap towels that shrink, fade, and quit on you? Kitinjoy gives you pro-level performance at a budget-friendly price. These dish towels are customer-loved and kitchen-tested, offering luxury softness, commercial-grade durability, and unbeatable absorbency, all in one stylish set. Whether you're a home chef, a cleaning perfectionist, or just someone who spills a lot, these towels are worth every penny. Upgrade your kitchen game with Kitinjoy, because your countertops deserve the best.